I'm here with Beth Simmons, and you know, I love my sunglasses, but they are not as cool as what Beth has brought. Beth, you brought all of these completely blinged out sunglasses, and I am insanely jealous. So you said this is an easy project.
Super simple. I call these my blinged gas station glasses.
Oh.
We always have glasses kicking around, and this is a great way to customize them to whatever outfit you want to wear with them.
Well, cool, let's do it.
So we're gonna take a really awesome craft adhesive, and I'm gonna put it into our little syringe here, which makes the application a lot neater than
So
trying to do it.
I was gonna say, that has a really big nozzle.
Mm-hmm. We have two different size tips that you can add. Just dependent upon what size stone you're working with.
And is the syringe reusable, or once you use it because it had glue in it, you're done?
You can rinse these out.
Okay.
And you can take a little pick from your brush and
or a pin maybe or something for the fine liner tips.
Yep. Get the tip rinsed out. But it makes for adding the glue.
Oh my gosh, that is such a tiny bit of glue.
A lot
that is
easier.
Genius.
Yep. So you just put a dot.
I was wondering how you were going to pick up those tiny stones.
Use your little tool here to pick up your stone and place it wherever you want it to be.
Perfect. So I noticed that you were going one stone at a time. Or maybe, are you putting several dots of glue? And that's okay. You have a little bit of open time to work with it.
You can have a little bit of open time to work with it. You don't want to get too far ahead of yourself, otherwise the glue will.
So don't do like a whole design around the whole lens.
2 or 3 stones at once is probably as much as you want to work with.
And when you're laying out a design, like, do you pre-think of a design, or are you just like, hey, I've got some pretty stones and they're blingy, let me just see what happens?
I'm a bit of a free thinker. I tend to not plan, but there are some people that do plan quite a bit. It just depends upon what your personal style is and how you work. And so I like these projects because you can do.
And you can use any flat-backed crystal, I assume?
These are crystal.
Okay.
You can use little pearl flat-back stones. There's a whole bunch of different kinds that you can pick up at just whatever suits your fancy. You can even add the stones to little metal pieces and then add that to your sunglasses as well.
So layering, and is there a long dry time on this? Like, do you have to be really careful now with it?
No, the dry time is really pretty quick. It doesn't take an awful lot of time to set up, maybe 10, 15 minutes.
Oh, so perfect. You get to wear your sunglasses out almost immediately.
Yep. Oop.
And how long does the glue stay wet in the syringe? Or is it like after you've done your project, you need to either clean it up or throw it away?
It'll last for an hour or so in the syringe. There is a little bit of air that gets into the syringe when you add the glue, so you don't want to like store it for too awfully long. However, there is a stopper tip.
Okay.
So if you need to take a break, you can put the stopper tip on it and it'll keep maybe overnight. Without the stopper tip, you're kind of toast.
And I was saying, you're working on a Teflon sheet here, so I can see that even if it drips, it's not a big deal because it'll just come right off that Teflon sheet.
Yep, that's what the Teflon sheet is great for, and you can just kind of get that little nub off of there and continue working on adding your stones.
So do you have any design rules about this, like when you're using the bling, how much, how little, or anything like that, color choices?
I like color coordinating. I usually find a stone that I will use as my focus, like this purpley one in the middle. It has hints of purple, hints of pink, hints of green, and so I'll use that as my jumping off point. Nature is a great jumping off point for design, and you can never go wrong with those. I was going to say, if we look
at some of these examples, I can see how you have embellished an existing design here with the watermelon pouch, which I assume is fabric.
Yep, it is fabric. Canvas is a great medium.
And the same with the shoe, we're embellishing our design here, and then if you look at all these fabulous sunglasses, well, I can tell you, I'm ready to put them on and go out. This has been awesome.